Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the homepage of Firefox. For that, first you have to open Firefox app. Then you can see the homepage here. So you can basically make some customization from this option here. Like you can turn on the or turn off the shortcuts. If you turn off, the shortcuts will be gone. And you can also turn on the recent activity. It will show the recently visited websites. You can turn it off and you can turn on shortcuts again, and you can select 2, 3 or 4 rows of shortcut. It's on your wish, but I will suggest you to turn off the sponsored shortcuts, or else sometimes it will show ads here. And you can also make some other customization, like you can change the location of shortcuts, also add custom shortcuts by clicking this icon. So I'm gonna add a custom shortcut to show you guys. So for that you have to type a title just like I did, and also type the URL. You can use a custom image here. For that you can paste a URL of an image. It will show here. So I'm gonna click on add. So the Facebook site is now added in the shortcut. Also you can make some more customization. For that you have to click on settings and click on manage more settings. Here you can find more options. For example, you can turn off this search bar. For that you have to click here. The search bar will be gone. Also, in recent activity you can turn on these settings. For example, you can add the bookmarks and most recent downloads, etc. And you can also select rows for this as well. So this is how you can customize the Firefox homepage. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.